Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video our topic is world famous essay or very interesting essay, The Spider and the Bee, written by Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift was an Anglo-Irish writer, satirist, essayist, political pamphleteer, poet, and became Dean of St. Patrick's Cathedral and often called Dean Swift. Jonathan Swift was a 18th century writer and was contemporary of Sir Richard Steele and Alexander Pope. If we more know about Jonathan Swift, then he is generally thought to be the greatest prose writer of the 18th century, because in the 18th century there was a sudden flood in satire writing, and Jonathan Swift was one of them great satire writers. He was one of the world's finest satire, and he is considered as a milestone by many critics, by many writers, because he was deeply critical of humanity. He often commented on human behavior or many minor things of human life. So if we talk about the life of Jonathan Swift, then Jonathan Swift was born in Dublin, Ireland in 1667, and his father died before his birth, and Jonathan Swift was left in the care of his uncle Godwin, and his uncle Godwin provided him good education, and Jonathan Swift graduated from the Trinity College, Dublin, with the master degree in 1688. Swift's father was a supervisor at the court building of Dublin, and he died at the age of 25, leaving his wife and daughter penniless, and his son, which is Jonathan Swift, was born even a month after his father's death, and this name Jonathan was given after his father's name. If we talk about his works, then his most famous work is Gulliver's Travels, which is very well known, and it includes the Battle of the Books, which explore the merits of ancient and modern writers in literature, and A Tale of a Tub, a religious satire which is published in 1704, and in arguments against abolishing Christianity, in which narrator argues for the preservation of Christian religion as a necessity of society. Today our topic is The Spider and the Bee, which is also called a fable. It is an extract from the Jonathan Swift's work The Battle of the Book, which was written in 1697 and was published in 1704. This episode, The Spider and the Bee, occurs in the opening part of the book, and the theme of the essay is controversy over the superior between the ancient and modern writers in the form of bee and spider. Bee stands for ancient writers and gives a view that how ancient writers are superior, what are the qualities, and spider stands for modern writers, science and technology. Both the insects gives their view and proves that how they are superior to over each other. And we find that ancient writers were satisfied, they have wings of imagination, they produced music and light for the world, they have research quality, hardworking quality, and many other new things which we will read in this essay. Jonathan Swift penned a famous satire, which is The Battle of the Books, in 1704, a full and true account of battle fought last Friday between the ancient and modern writers in St. James Library? It's very important question often asked in competitive exams, that where the episode of Bee and Spider takes place. So it's St. James Library, in which he contrasted the method of ancient writers like Aristotle, Plato, with the modern enlightenment thinkers like Descartes, Bacon. In this, he brought out one of the most celebrated metaphor in Western literature, which is spider and bee. And this essay is in the form of a dispute of the spider, who represents modern thinkers, and bee, who represented the ancient thinkers. So in this essay we will learn that what is more important. Is it material or is it production? Which is more important, or is it should be useful to humanity, to the world, or not? So this is our video, and in the next video we will start our essay, The Spider and the Bee, which is in the form of a dispute. And there were very sweet argument. There will be very sweet arguments, many new things which we will learn in this essay. So this is our video. Thank you.